guys, today I'm going to be doing another 100k pack opening. These guys probably like the last one where I got Marcelo, and if you haven't watched that one, well, I've kind of just told you, so I'm going to be doing another one today. And I hope you enjoy this one, and make sure you leave a like, so let's get into it. That's actually quite a good card to get. 86 Gignac. Alright, let's look at the rest of the pack. Andrew, Elana, Matip, Dre, Bellarabi, and I'm not gonna go through all of them. So, yeah. We'll keep him and keep Dre. So, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And bye.